Hello everyone, this is me Therese and welcome to another tutorial. Before we proceed to the tutorial, let me give a shout out to Miss Liz Knight. She said hers is a suggestion, speak English. So I will try to speak English from now on. Thank you for your suggestion, Miss Liz Knight. Today, let's create a WhatsApp sticker using Canva mobile app. Are you ready to learn on how to create one? Let's go to the mobile app. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, go to the Play Store and download it. Create an account with your Yahoo, Gmail, or Facebook. Let's pull up a logo dimension, then create a blank page. Let's say we want to create a simple text sticker. Go to the bottom toolbar and text, add a heading, and type in like smile. To make the text caps lock, go to the bottom toolbar and go to format, tap on this, increase the font size by just dragging like this or by going in here on the bottom toolbar, font size, and indicate the font size you like. You can change the font to the bolder one, something like that. You can add some elements by tapping the plus sign, then go to elements, search for emoji, then add some emoji you want to use from here. Drag it like this to reduce the size and place it wherever you like. Then you can change the color of this text by going on the bottom toolbar, color, and then change the color. To add an effects to the text, go to effects, then you can choose effects from here. Let's say splice. You can tap the control and change the color. Place this emoji in here and you're ready to download your sticker. By the way guys, if you're still struggling on how to use Canva mobile app, I have a tutorial about that. You will find the link on the description below. To download the sticker without a background, you need to have a Canva Pro. Do you want to try 30 days free trial of Canva Pro? You can use my link on the description below to register. To do this, go to the arrow up on the top, then click on download, select the PNG file, and tap the transparent background in here, then click on download. However, if you are using Canva free account, you can still use this without background by downloading another app to remove the background to the sticker. Go to the Play Store and type in sticker maker, and there's a lot of free sticker maker. Choose one you like. In my case, I downloaded this one, then open it. You just have to create a new sticker pack. Let's say WhatsApp sticker, and then sticker pack author, your name, create. Let's go back to the Canva and download the sticker with background. Go to the arrow up, download, because we want to use the sticker with background, so I can show you how you can remove the background from sticker maker app that we downloaded. Go to the sticker maker and tap on that. Okay, add the sticker you download with background, and how you can remove the background of your sticker, tap the scissor icon and just draw it like this to remove the background. And you can reduce the outline width by tapping the outline in here on the top. You can reduce it like this or increase or reduce. You can even change the outline color and then save sticker. To add this to WhatsApp, we need at least 3 stickers so we can use this to WhatsApp. Okay, add more and then remove the background again by tapping the scissor icon and then draw, then save. Add one more, then remove again the background and save. Okay, let's go back and tap the sticker pack we create, and it's ready to add to WhatsApp. Tap on the add WhatsApp in here on the bottom. Would you like to add WhatsApp sticker to WhatsApp? Click on add and let's go to WhatsApp. Let's tap on the emoji icon here, and there you have it. You have your own sticker that you can use. Let me know on the comment section below if you want to try this or you have already done this. I hope you enjoy with this tutorial and you find it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and like and share to your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Click on the bell icon to get you updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. See you on my next video.